Cost efficiency is always a key performance indicator for asset managers in unconventional operations. But controlling those lease operating expenses can be a very difficult task without the adequate amount of visibility into the operations. Locally, Emerson offers a host of solutions that offer improved insight into well and facilities performance, as well as maintenance cost and operating cost. So these managers can mitigate excessive and unnecessary expenses and keep their budgets in check. Because maintenance costs are always a core component of lease operating expenses, managers are often challenged to minimize the financial impact of equipment upkeep and repair. Emerson's monitoring and diagnostic tools and reliability consulting practices can help lessen the business impact of equipment maintenance and keep costs under control by providing an increased asset visibility, preventing unscheduled maintenance, and eliminating inefficient maintenance practices. Asset managers also require keen insight into well production, lifts cost, chemical management, water disposal, and other well-related expenses to avoid overusing utilities and ensure the resources are leveraged in the right places. With Emerson's automated field management solutions, these managers can optimize decisions to ensure proper service usage and billing and prevent production expenses from going out of control. Efficient use of personnel can be another factor that can drive expense, especially when considering labor-intensive manual surveillance processes. When working with Emerson, asset managers can gain improved insight into exception-based surveillance and field-based automations so that they don't have to visit all wells all the time, freeing up personnel to manage wells with less labor cost. With Emerson's remote monitoring and diagnostic technologies and our consulting services, asset managers can better control the factors that most affect lease operating expenses. Whether improving insight to minimize unnecessary maintenance or optimizing surveillance processes, Emerson can provide the necessary tools for gaining better control of operating budgets. If you would like to learn more, please go to our website, emerson.com. Thanks.